Hi, welcome back to Unforgettable Creations. Today I'll be showing you how to assemble a chip bag using 1 ounce chips, a glue gun, and just a regular sheet of paper that you printed your chip bag on, okay? So when I'm doing it with a glue gun, I always crimp my chips first. Or you should always, I think that's the easier way. Crimp your chip bags first before you put it in the actual chip. You see this excess, I usually would cut that off if it doesn't go with the design, but since it's white in the design, and that is fine, okay? But if not, you could just snip this off like I do sometimes to get that white off, okay? So you get your paper crimp, you put it through a couple times, get your other end. Okay, now you have your crimps. Okay, now what you're gonna do, get your chip bag, just stick it down in there. The part with the most white is the part that you're gonna glue down, okay? The part you're gonna put the glue. So you could just put it in and just see how it's going to be. Okay. So we know it should be like this, okay? So I'm just gonna get my glue, and like I said, put it on the part with the most white. So my glue is running out. Okay, so I'm just gonna get it and just fold it over on the glue. Okay, let me get me another glue stick. It's right here. Then I'm just gonna glue this bottom. Okay, so we have our back closed. You get your end. Put your glue on one end as well. I always turn it frontward so the front can always be. Okay, that's one. For your other end. And there you have it. Get your bag. Just that easy, guys. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Comment down below to see more assembling videos. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, bye-bye.